Welcome to the U.S. Military Channel. We cover all the latest news and events involving the U.S. military around the globe. Our story today is about U.S. Marines with 2nd Low Altitude Air Defense Battalion, LAAD Bn, fire FIM-92 Stinger missiles during a training exercise at Onslow Beach, North Carolina. The FIM-92 Stinger is a man-portable air defense system that operates as an infrared homing surface-to-air missile. It can be adapted to fire from a wide variety of ground vehicles and helicopters. The live fire training increases their capabilities in providing task-organized, ground security force in a defense of the Marine Air Ground Task Force air sites, assets and installations when not engaged in air defense operations. 2nd LAAD Bn is a subordinate unit of 2nd Marine Aircraft Wing, which is the aviation combat element of II Marine Expeditionary Force. This package contains footage of the following: Marines preparing FIM-92 Stinger missiles for fire. Marines receiving briefs from a range safety officer. Target drones being launched. Marines locating and identifying target drones before firing. Marines firing FIM-92 Stinger missiles.
Wing flash. In a second, it's gonna bank again. See right there, banking? No. Right there, right there. Oh. Alright, watch it. Get on that bank once it turns.
Hit, good hit. Clear the pits, clear the pits. You got your radio on?
Thank you for watching. If you like this story, then please don't forget to hit that subscribe button to get more great stories about the U.S. military from around the globe.